A cramped game room shouldn't mean boring nights. Imagine a high-stakes match where every ricochet counts, packed into half the space of a standard table. Welcome back. Today, we're ranking the ultimate bumper pool tables for non-stop action. Check the links below to grab yours and ignite your home's competitive spirit. The number 6 product on our list is EastPoint Sports Masterton Pool Table. The legendary parlor atmosphere is no longer a privilege reserved for smoke-filled halls or high-end clubs. Many homeowners find themselves stuck with warped surfaces or damaged deliveries that turn a dream game room into a source of immense stress. This 87-inch masterpiece solves that anxiety before it even reaches your door, with drop-tested packaging engineered to survive a 50-inch fall. It eliminates the frustration of uneven floors through a built-in leg leveling system that ensures every roll is true and predictable. While standard compact options lack the rebound depth of professional gear, these K66 rubber bumpers provide that crisp, satisfying bounce essential for mastering complex bank shots. The scratch-resistant top rails and traditional drop pockets offer a refined aesthetic that withstands years of aggressive competition. It is a brilliant choice for families who want a full-sized billiard experience without the astronomical price tag of slate. A minor trade-off is the non-slate weight, which requires careful assembly, but the playability rivals much more expensive alternatives. Owning this table means transforming your basement into a headquarters for unforgettable late-night rivalries. Step up to the cloth and let the sound of a perfect break redefine your home entertainment. At number 5 is Fat Cat Trueshot Foldable Pool Table. A world-class billiard break shouldn't require a permanent sacrifice of your entire living room floor. Many enthusiasts are forced to choose between a cramped home or abandoning their love for the game because massive slate tables simply won't fit. This 6-foot marvel shatters that barrier by offering a fully foldable design that tucks away flat the moment the final black ball drops. It solves the headache of complex assembly by using a simple 4-bolt locking system that gets you playing in mere minutes. While the EastPoint Masterton demands a dedicated parlor space, this agile alternative thrives in smaller apartments and shared rec rooms. The K818 rubber bumpers ensure that every bank shot retains its energy, providing a responsive feel that mirrors professional surfaces. It is a fantastic asset for parents who want to introduce their kids to the sport without a permanent furniture commitment. One minor drawback is the lighter frame, which requires the safety locking legs to be fully engaged for maximum stability, but the included full-size cues and balls make it a complete package. Reclaim your home without losing your hobby by choosing a table that respects your space. Turning any corner into a competitive arena has never been this effortless. At number 4 is Hathaway Fairmont Folding Pool Table. Greatness in the game of billiards shouldn't be measured by the square footage of your house. Many enthusiasts suffer the heartbreak of purchasing a table only to realize it requires a team of professional installers and hours of grueling assembly. This 6-foot wonder obliterates that barrier by arriving at your doorstep fully functional and ready for action. You simply unfold the reinforced steel legs and dial in the integrated levelers to transform any flat surface into a competitive arena. While the Fat Cat Trueshot requires manual bolting, this design prioritizes speed and agility with a frame that snaps into place instantly. The L-shaped cushions and black melamine rails provide a professional-grade rebound that rewards precision and strategy. It is a vital solution for apartment dwellers or those with multi-use basements who need to pack away the fun in a rip-resistant carry bag. A slight limitation is the shorter length for long-range bank shots, but the authentic felt surface ensures a smooth, elite-tier roll every time. Choosing this foldable masterpiece means you never have to compromise your passion for your floor plan. Reclaim your evenings with a setup that delivers high-stakes excitement without the permanent clutter. The third one on our list is American legend Rustic Wood Finish Pool Table. Your home's aesthetic should never be a casualty of your competitive spirit. Most homeowners settle for cold, industrial gaming equipment that sticks out like a sore thumb in a carefully curated living space. This 90-inch centerpiece solves that design dilemma by blending a rustic wood finish with striking iron turnbuckle accents. It creates an atmosphere that feels more like a private mountain lodge than a basement rec room. While the Hathaway Fairmont focuses on portability and folding legs, this substantial Brookdale model provides a fixed, professional-grade navy blue polyester surface for serious accuracy. It eliminates the frustration of wobbly shots on uneven tiles through integrated leg levelers that anchor your experience. It is a masterful choice for the established entertainer who wants a full-scale club feel without the stale aesthetic of traditional felt. One consideration is the heavy footprint that requires a permanent home, but the included cues and accessories mean you are battle-ready from day one. Choosing this table is an investment in a lifestyle where heritage design meets modern leisure. Elevate your nightly ritual with a surface that commands respect before the first ball even moves. On number 2 is GoSports Portable Pool Table. Imagine turning a mundane office afternoon into a high-stakes tournament in less time than it takes to brew a pot of coffee. Most billiards enthusiasts are paralyzed by the thought of heavy slate and permanent floor anchors that devour space and drain budgets. This mid-size powerhouse solves that logistical nightmare with a heavy-duty steel frame that provides incredible rigidity without the permanent footprint. While the American Legend model demands a rustic lodge setting, this versatile setup thrives in apartments or studios where flexibility is the ultimate currency. You get 76 inches of smooth felt and regulation balls that deliver an authentic tactile response with every bank shot. It is a brilliant asset for the social butterfly who wants to host spontaneous game nights without the stress of complex tools or hours of assembly. A minor limitation is that standard cues might feel long in very tight corners, but the stability provided by the folding steel legs is remarkably reassuring. Switching from a cramped living room to a professional-feeling arena has never felt this seamless or rewarding. Grab your cue and witness how a few square feet can redefine your entire weekend. Now moving to the last one is Mizerak Dynasty Pool Table. The thrill of a perfectly executed bank shot should not be a luxury reserved for those with sprawling mansions and empty basements. Many aspiring players face the crushing disappointment of wobbly, uneven surfaces that turn a serious match into a game of pure luck. This 6.5-foot space-saving powerhouse solves that frustration with integrated leg levelers that ensure a flat, professional roll even on questionable flooring. It eliminates the tedious clutter of manual pocket clearing by featuring an automatic ball return system, keeping your focus entirely on the next rack. While the GoSports model prioritizes extreme portability with its folding steel legs, this unit offers a more permanent, classic parlor aesthetic with a double-sealed MDF bed and traditional green nylon cloth. It is a fantastic bridge for the dedicated hobbyist who wants a sturdy, stationary setup that fits comfortably into a multi-use den or small apartment. A slight drawback is the nylon cloth, which plays faster than wool, but the consistent response helps sharpen your accuracy over time. Transforming a cramped corner into a high-stakes arena brings a deep sense of accomplishment to every evening. Your home journey evolves from simple leisure to a disciplined mastery of the table. So guys, this was the video about the best bumper pool table. We've carefully covered some of the best options available right now to help you make a smarter and more confident decision. Whether you're looking for performance, durability, value for money, or the latest features, this guide was designed to give you a clear and practical overview so you can pick what truly fits your needs. If any of the products we mentioned caught your interest, you'll find all the links conveniently placed in the description below. Make sure to check them out for more details, updated pricing, and availability. Taking a moment to explore those links can really help you choose the right option without any confusion. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating more useful and high-quality videos for you. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.